Filter reset 069 tank. When the tank arrives, 9 times out of 10 it's set to warn and shut boiling off after a designated amount of time. For 4-in-1 electronics and typically most taps, you'd want to cancel this and rely on the customer to change the filter on time. So to reset the tank and take the warning off, turn the tank on from white, which is standby, on, press and hold, light will flash green. When the light goes solid, let go. Then press once to select blue, which is filter timer off. Press and hold till the blue goes solid and let go. Tank will then revert back to its heating stage, whether that be yellow then blue if the tank's brand new and just been put on, or if it was already hot, it will revert back to its temperature, which in this case is red and ready to be used.